If you are broke right now and don't have $1 to your name, or even if you're looking for another stream, I'm going to show you a simple method that could potentially put thousands of dollars inside of your bank account. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. I'm going to show you how to create simple song animation videos for kids, which are very, very popular and lucrative on YouTube right now. But here's the thing. I'm not about to throw a bunch of theories at you and list a bunch of expensive tools and say go for it. That's not what you need. What you need is a free method, a solid game plan, and a step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create, optimize, and monetize these videos to generate millions of views and thousands of dollars in under 20 minutes. Let me set the stage for you for a minute. Kids videos are one of the most watched categories on YouTube. We're talking billions of views across the platform. Hell, one single video can rack up a few billion views. Now think about that for a minute. These channels are generating hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, some even millions of dollars per month. You don't need to be a talented artist. You don't need to be a singer, songwriter, or know any complex computer graphics software. And honestly, you don't even need to be that creative. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking for another stream of income, it doesn't matter. This right here can work for absolutely anyone. So let me break it down for you and show you how it's done step by step. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is come up with a song idea for our video. We're going to come up with some good music. And how we're going to do that is we're going to use old ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT and type in, give me 20 ideas for popular kids songs about animals. Click enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT is bringing back some fantastic ideas. You can type in, give me 10 more if you don't like what you see. But for now, I'm going to go with this first one here that says Jungle Jam. Now, you may be wondering, that's all good, Jay, but how do we actually come up with the lyrics for the song? Well, it's a good thing that we got old ChatGPT for that as well. So go to ChatGPT and this is what you're going to type in. Create me a kid song titled Jungle Jam from the above list. And whatever title song that you choose, that's what you want to tell ChatGPT to create the lyrics for. I'll leave all the prompts that I'm going to be using in this video below so you can just easily access it and copy and paste it. So click enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT brought us back all the lyrics that we need now. All we have to do is make the song, and I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, now that we got our lyrics, it's time for someone to create a beat and sing to it. But don't panic because we're not going to be hiring a singer on Fiverr or going to Upwork to hire a producer. We're going to accomplish all of this using AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So this is the website that you want to come to. It's called Suno.com. Suno is an AI tool that can create music for you, full songs in literally seconds that's ready to download. This music sounds so good that it's indistinguishable from something created in a professional studio. Here's what you do. You go to Suno.com and all the links for every site will be below as well. So you come to Suno.com and right here, you want to sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you're going to come to this page right here. This is the interface. Over here on the left side, you want to click on create. And then it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now at the top, if you look up right here, you want to turn on this option where it says custom. You want to turn that option on. Okay, this box that's labeled lyrics, this is where you want to copy and paste your lyrics that you got ChatGPT to create for you. So paste your lyrics here. And right here where it says style of music, this is where I'm going to put children's pop. Now you can go to ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT to give you different styles of music, and you can just enter it in right here. Today we're going to go with children's pop, and right here I'm going to leave this as is. And on title, this is where you're going to put your song title. So our song is Jungle Jam, so that's what I'm going to put here. And then all you do from there is just click create. That's it. That's all you do. Every time you click create, it's going to create 2 versions of the same song for you. It's not exactly the same. It's going to have the same lyrics, but it's going to have a different beat to it. So if you don't like it, just click create again. So what we're going to do now is have a listen to the songs that we created. So let's check out one here. Man, that sounds good. Sounds like it was created in a professional $100,000 studio with a professional vocalist. So let's check out the second one here. Sounds all right, but I like the first one better. So that's the one we're going to be going with today. So what I'm going to do over here where you see these 3 dots, you want to click on those 3 dots. You want to go down to download, and you want to click on audio, and it's going to download it and save it to your computer or your phone. Now that we got our song ready, here comes the fun part. It's time to create some visuals for our video. And to do that, we're going to be using a tool called Hollywood AI, if I'm pronouncing that right. But I'll leave all the links below this video so you can quickly access it and just follow along, or just watch this video first, whatever you want to do. So when you're on the home page, just simply click sign in, and you're able to log in using your Google account. And at the time of me making this video, this tool is free to use. It's free to get started with. There are some paid versions as well that gives you more benefits, but you can get started creating videos with this tool for free. So once you're logged in, this is the interface that you're going to see. And at the top, you got image to video and you got text to video. Today, we're going to be doing text to video. So this is what you want to do to get started creating your scenes for your video. You want to go to ChatGPT and you want to say, generate prompts for Hollywood AI to create videos for each scene described in the lyrics above. Now I'm going to click generate. And voila, just like that, ChatGPT brought us back all the prompts that we need without us having to come up with all of this on our own. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this first prompt here, and I'm going to head back over to Hollywood AI. And right in this box, I'm going to paste it in right here. And at the beginning of each prompt, I'm going to put Disney Pixar animated style. This right here ensures that the tool create high quality visuals for our video and that they maintain a consistency. And now what you want to do is just go right here and click create. And just like that, we have our first scene, and it looks amazing. Now, each one of these clips are about 5 seconds long. And what you want to do, you want to create 3 scenes for each prompt. The reason why you want to do that, because you want to have enough footage to be able to create each scene. And each time you click on this create button, it's going to bring you back a different version. Now you can change your prompt up. Like if one says a lion, you can change it out for a tiger if you want. You can control this however you want, guys. Even if you don't change anything inside of your prompt, it's going to bring you back a different version. This is all you do, guys. It's really that simple. So what I'm going to do now is go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy all the prompts, and I'm going to create all my scenes to save time on this video. You just repeat exactly what I showed you how to do, and you'll be able to create your scenes for your video. Okay, now that we have all of our scenes completed, it's time to create some magic. It's time to put all of this together, our song and our clips. And we're going to be doing this by using CapCut, which has a free version and a paid version. But you're able to do this using the free version. And if you're using another editor like Canva, you still can do this. The principles are the same. It doesn't matter what editor that you're using. Okay, now we're going to open up CapCut, and this right here is the interface. The first thing we're going to do is drag and drop all of our video clips, including our song, right here in this box. And the next thing we're going to do is drag and drop the song first onto the timeline. And then you want to add the clips on top of the song one by one. So I'm going to do that now. Now you want to make sure that each one of your clips line up with your song perfectly. You want to make sure everything is in sync. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add a filter. You don't have to do this, but I like to add a filter on top of the video to make it stand out even more. So I'm going to click on filters. And I like to use this 4K one right here because it really makes the colors pop. So I'm going to add it right here on top. The last thing I'm going to do for this video is to add captions, because captions can reach a wider audience and it's more engaging. Even if people have the video turned off, they can still follow along. It works very well, but you don't have to use that option. Videos do good without it. But I'm going to put it on this video. So to do that, you want to click right up here where it says text, and then you want to click on advanced. And right here where it says identify lyrics, you want to click on that. And then next, all you do is click on generate. After all of the lyrics are generated, the next thing I'm going to do is click on templates, because I want to choose a nice template for my lyrics. And you have hundreds of them here to choose from. I like this one right here, so I'm going to choose it. All right, my friends, the video is complete. Now we're going to check it out.
Deep in the jungle, what do I hear? Lions are roaring loud and clear. Monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Come on everybody, sing with me. It's a jungle jam, let's clap our hands. Dance like the animals across the land. Stomp your feet like elephants do. Join the jungle jam, it's fun for you.
Looks and sounds amazing. Now I've only completed half of this video because I basically just wanted to show you guys how it's done. The sweet spot is about 2 to 3 minutes. That's how long you'll want to make your video. Now it's time to download the video, and if you're using CapCut, I'll show you how to do that as well. What you want to do is click right up here where it says export, and right here where it says name, I like to name mine the title of the song. So I'm going to put Jungle Jam, and right here on resolution, you'll want to put it on 4K. And then next, all you do is click export. Okay, now that you've downloaded your video, what is the next step? Well, the next step is to create a great title and a great thumbnail, because it doesn't matter how amazing your video is, people won't watch it if it don't have an enticing title and an enticing thumbnail. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to create this quickly and easily. And we're going to start off by using ChatGPT once again. So go to ChatGPT and you want to enter in this long prompt right here. And remember guys, all the prompts used in this video, I'll leave access to it below, so you can quickly just copy and paste it. And as you can see, ChatGPT is bringing us back some amazing titles. Now I made sure to add inside of the prompt that I want these titles to be highly searched and highly optimized for discoverability, so you don't have to worry about if your title is going to work. All right, now it's time to create the thumbnail, and there are 2 ways that you can go about this, and both ways can save you so much time and so much money, because believe me, thumbnails are expensive. They can cost you anywhere from $50 to up to $500 per thumbnail. But I'm going to show you how you can do this for free and at a very low cost. It's actually not hard when you're doing these type of videos anyway, because most of the time they're just taking screenshots of the best part of the video. And that's one option. The second option is you can use a website called pixels.com. And I recently discovered this tool. It's an AI thumbnail generator, and it can literally generate high quality thumbnails in seconds. So you come to Pixels and you log in, you create your free account. You can get started for free, but it will leave a watermark on your thumbnails. And if you want to remove that watermark, you'll have to upgrade. But like I told you guys, everything in this video, you can get started for free. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. There's a lot of things this tool can do. You got thumbnail, recreate, and face swap, and you have titles coming soon. But today we're going to focus on thumbnail. and you want to enter in this prompt right here. I created this prompt for my video, so you may have to tweak it a little bit to fit your video. So the next thing you want to do is just click on generate. And just like that, we have a high quality thumbnail in seconds. And you can recreate this over and over if you don't like what you see. And you can also enter in different prompts. If you want to change something, like if you want to add text onto this, you can add it inside of the prompt. So after you got your thumbnail, your title created, all you have to do from there is just upload it to YouTube. And I'm not going to go through that process because I'm pretty sure most of you know how to do that. So guys, I appreciate you for stopping by. If you're interested in earning some residual income online, that means money coming in every single month. And you can also check out my #1 recommended program. Guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace and blessings.